So to actually display the blogs that are from this list here, this blog list here that's been passed through, we need to use Flask to help us. And there's going to be a command called, basically for. And you notice this looks very similar to for loops in Python, where we iterate over a list. So blogs here, this variable name here, is matching the same one that is here, okay, the name of the variable. So that matches that. Then I've got my end for, okay, so that's when it's going to end. And at the moment, I'm displaying the text hi. So if I display that, run that, you can see I've now got hi next to each other. So there's two highs. You probably wondering why there's two highs. Well, if we look back at our blogs, we have two blogs. Okay, if we had three blogs, we'd have three highs. But high is obviously not what we want to display. So we actually want to display the titles. So display the titles, we can use this format again. Now, inside our for loop, we've got this variable b now, which is going to represent one of our blogs. And one of our blogs is a dictionary. So I can access any single item out of it using the full stop, and then whatever bit I want to get out. So I've got the option of contents, and I've got the option of title. And obviously I want to bring out title. So that's what I'm going to put there. And now I'm going to save that and run that. So you can now see I've got clickbait. Look at them now. I've got the two titles on my blogs. So that's amazing. So now we want to make this look a bit prettier. So I'm going to put this into a paragraph. Oops, what if I... Oh yeah, I know what I did then. I was thinking, what on earth happened then? I executed it in GD by accident. So I can see this now on two lines. So I've got my two links here, and I can turn them into links. Okay, so I can do something on the lines of this. I can put an anchor in, as I would do beforehand. And I want to turn them into a link for the next section. So I'm going to go href. Now remember, to create a link, we need this little bit of code here. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to call this view blog, because ultimately that's what we're going to use as the kind of end target. Now if I run this, it's probably going to give me an error because I haven't defined that. Yeah, there we go. So it says cannot find endpoint view blog. Okay, so don't worry too much about that because we're going to fix that in a moment. But for now, if I maybe just take out this bit of code here and save it, then we'll have a link ready, which we can click on, but nothing will happen, which is fine because we haven't coded the next bit. So the next thing we're going to do is actually be able to display the code there.